In this chart, we also have the sun that is connected to Neptune as well. Once again, we have almost a 90-degree angle between the sun and Neptune. When you have the sun, your life force, connected to Neptune, it can represent the idea that you have trouble figuring out who you are. It can also represent you having the desire to keep who you are a secret, to obscure or hide who you are. Neptune also can be a planet that really, because of its ability to hide and keep secrets, it can allow you to keep secrets from yourself too, which again is something that can be very challenging to work with. And so whenever we see Sun Neptune, we can think of a person who's probably very intuitive, potentially very artistic, someone who is potentially very creative. At the same time, we have someone who might be prone to not knowing who they are, someone who may be prone to keeping secrets, but also someone who might be an addict. This is a signature that we often see for addiction. Now, to be fair, when you're looking at a chart and you see a Sun-Neptune connection like this, it doesn't necessarily mean that the person's chart that you're reading is an addict. It could also be a family connection. But in this particular case, I think we could probably agree that this is a person who was likely an addict. I think that's pretty. I think that would be pretty obvious and not too much of a stretch. Also, this is a person who kept a lot of secrets, didn't want people knowing who he really was. So we can see that in the Sun-Neptune connection as well.